Did you know that crowdfunding platforms have raised over $34 billion globally? That's billions with B. Now, imagine building your own platform and tapping into that incredible potential. Sounds exciting, right? Let's break it down together.
Welcome to today's video. Whether you want to fund personal projects, support community initiatives, or empower causes you to care about, creating your own crowdfunding platform can be a game changer. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make it happen. Here's the problem. While there are many crowdfunding platforms out there, finding the right one for your needs can be a nightmare. High fees eat into the funds you, limited features can stifle creativity, and without the right audience, your campaign might never reach its full potential. On the other hand, starting your own platform can feel overwhelming. You might wonder, where do I even start? What's the tech behind it? How do I attract fundraisers and donors? These challenges are real, but they're not insurmountable. The good news? With the right steps, you can create a platform that works not only for you, but also for the community you aim to serve. Let's dive into how you can turn this vision into reality. Define your niche. Start by asking yourself, who do I want to help? Is it startups, artists, social causes, or something else? By focusing on a specific group, you can tailor your platform to their needs. Choose the right technology. You don't need to be a tech wizard. There are tools and services that simplify building crowdfunding platforms. Look into white label solutions, website builders, or hire a freelance developer if needed. Set transparent goals. Outline your platform's mission, fee structure, and how funds will be distributed. Transparency builds trust with users. Marketing strategies. No platform succeeds without users. Create buzz through social media, partnerships, and influencer outreach. Highlight stories of people who have successfully raised funds on your platform to inspire others. Build a supportive community. Crowdfunding is about connections. Engage with your users through regular updates, helpful resources, and support to keep them coming back.
Now, let's look at what separates the good platforms from the great ones. Their ability to inspire trust and deliver results. Take GoFundMe as an example. They focused on personal causes, kept the process simple, and marketed real success stories. Kickstarter. It became synonymous with creative projects because of its clear focus and vibrant community. The key takeaway: success comes from understanding your audience and solving their pain points. Whether it's lower fees, better user experience, or niche focus, the platform you build must offer something others don't. Starting a crowdfunding platform isn't just about technology or marketing. It's about empowering people to achieve their dreams. With a clear plan, a supportive community, and a bit of determination, you can create a platform that stands out and makes a real impact. Thanks for sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into fundraising, entrepreneurship, or crowdfunding strategies, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going with Funding Sparks.